Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll see our first program, how to write it. We have already seen the program in our previous videos, but here we'll see how to run it. I haven't shown you how I'm running a code, everything we'll see it. Okay, so let me open my VS Code. We have already written two codes there. So I'll just want to open VS Code. Okay, so you can see that I had already written this run python code.ipynb and run python code.py. This file we have created in a previous video. Okay, so in that ipynb we have written print Bhaddra, print Upahar, and print hello world. So when I say print, so print, what is print? Print is a function. So when I say function, what does that mean? So in simple language, if you imagine like I, what is the function of I? To see. Okay. Likewise, print is a function. There is something, the print is built to function to like for something, a specific task it has been built. So in real time, what does print do? So print gives us the desired output. If you want to print something in the output in the screen, no, we use the print function. Okay, when somebody says the function, just remember this I thing. Okay, I as a function. Okay, now we have two files, ipynb and that py. Now coming back to this ipynb, what we can do that, how I'm running it. Okay, I can see the result, but how I'm running it, I can run it in several ways. Okay, so the best way to run it is we'll tap shift plus enter. If I'll do shift plus enter, click on the cell, do shift plus enter. So if I'll do shift plus enter, so it will run this cell. Okay, we'll say it as running the cell. Okay, it will give. Now I want to print Upahar. Okay, I can do two things. I can do this shift plus enter, or you can see that there is a command called run all. If I press this run all, no, everything will get like run, all the codes will run. Let me click it. So I'll just run all. You can see all the lines get executed. If you want to execute one by one, then we can do shift plus enter. Now I'm here in the middle cell, but I don't want to run the below cells. I want to run only the above cells. So what I have, you can see there is an option called this one, execute above cell. So we can click here and we'll see that these cells will get executed. Okay, let me clear it, clear the output. Let's see it if it's really working. Now, if I'll do this execute, you can see this cell got executed, but this two cell didn't get executed. Okay, we'll see for the same thing, the right hand side also what is saying, execute cell and below. Now if you'll click it, it will execute this cell and execute this cell. Okay, so shift plus enter for ipynb files. Now for .py, now we have written our code as print hello upahar, hello world, upahar world, and bhadra world. Okay, now how I want to run it. So basically what I'll do, I'll go to this terminal. This is called as terminal. Okay. I'll write it as what I'll write, Python, Python, Python. Then whatever the name of the file is, here the name of the file is run python code.py. So I want to run that specific file. So I'll write run python code.py. If I'll execute it, what will do? It will give us the desired output. You can see hello world, Upahar world, and Bhadra world. Three output we got. Now, this is the first way we can do it. The second way is that you can see it here. There is something, this command, right? So let me clear it. I'll clear it. Okay. So machine is little slow because lots of things are running here. So if I'll now everything is clear, it seems. Okay, you can see there is nothing. Now I'll run it. I'll press this run Python file. Okay, the same thing, the same output will get whatever writing in the entire file name, we'll be getting the same output. But the machine is little slow. That's why the output is coming little slow. So it's running. Let's see if it will run. Yes, it ran the actual path, the entire path of it, and it gives the output hello world, Upahar world, and Bhadra world. Hope you're clear with how to write the code, simple code, and how to generate, how to like run it in ipynb also in .py file also. Thank you.